In the previous lesson, we've learned the basic of Eloquent, which is a simple ActiveRecord implementation for working with database. In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to link one model to another one. When you're working with database relational, you may use join operation such as left join, right join, or inner join to link one table to another one. Although we can perform join operations in Laravel, but Eloquent provides a better approach to do that stuff by defining relationship between two models. Eloquent provides many different types of relationships that you can apply to your models, such as one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many, and so on. In this video, we're gonna see how to use a basic relationship, which is one-to-many. So, according to this guide, that one-to-many relationship is used to define relationships where a single model owns any amount of other models. So here in products table, some products are belonging by one category. Or in other words, a category may have one or many products. Now let's see how to apply one-to-many relationship in our models. Firstly, let's create a category model. PHP artisan make model category. Let's pull open the category model. Inside this class, let's define a relationship method. Here, I'm gonna call it products in plural. Then, inside this method, let's return this has many. This method accepts at least one argument, which is the related model. The second argument is a foreign key column on the products table. As long as you follow the naming convention, you can omit the second argument. So if you didn't specify anything in the second argument, Eloquent will determine that the foreign key on the products table is the current model name in snake case. So category followed by underscore ID. So in this case, category underscore ID. Now, just in case you didn't follow the naming convention for the foreign key column, you need to specify in the second argument the column name. For example, if you have ID underscore category instead of category underscore ID, just add here ID underscore category. Okay, now that we have defined the relationship from category to product model, let's see how to retrieve the relation data in Thinker. Import the category model namespace. Let's get category 4. Now, to retrieve relation data, we have two options. First, using relationship method. Second, using dynamic property. Let's see the first option. To get collection of products of this category, here we can say category products. Now, if we hit enter, we get back has many instances. To get the actual collection, we can add after products method call with get method. And now, here we get all products which belonging to a category. And if we see the return type, it is an Eloquent collection. Note that all relationships also serve as query builders. So here, you can add further query constraints after products method call. For example, if you want to get only product with a certain ID, you can say find. Or, if you want to get the last product in a relationship, you can do like this. maybe the first product in relationship. Okay, that's how you can retrieve relationship data using the relationship method. Now let's see the second option, which is using dynamic property. So, whenever we define relationship methods in our model, Eloquent will also provide dynamic properties with the same name with the relationship method, as if they were defined as properties. For example, we've defined products method. Then we can access the dynamic property called products. So here I can say category products. Note that here I don't specify the parentheses. If I hit return, here we see all products in the output. And if we see the instance type, it is an Eloquent collection instance. It is similar when we call method relationship followed by get method. Now, let's also define inverse relationship from product model to category model. Let's open the product model. Then, in this class, let's also define a relationship method. Here, we'll define a method, category, and in this method, we'll return this belongs to and pass in the relation model. Again, here we can omit the second argument because we follow the convention. In belongs to method, if we omit the second argument, Eloquent determines the foreign key name by examining the name of the relationship method, in this case category, and suffixing it with underscore followed by the primary key column name. So, if you didn't follow the convention, you can specify the custom key name in the second argument here. Okay, let's save, and let's switch back to our terminal. Restart the thinker. I get error. I miss semicolon. Import the model namespace. So from product model, we can access the relationship method like so: product, category, and then here we get back belongs to instance. If we access dynamic property like this, here we get back a category instance. So this is similar with this command. As you can see, here we also get a category instance. Then, from this instance, we can see any information which category instance has.